Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create the AI picture very fast using this Gentube. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So don't worry guys in advance because this Gentube can be accessed also in your smartphone. And here in this video, I'd like to show you how to access it from the Google Chrome through my PC or laptop. And you can simply click this Gentube and make sure that the website is www.gentube.app, not this one. And if you would like to know how to use this Gentube AI or this one, please put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. And let's go back into this Gentube app, then click this. And this is the look of the home page, but I'm sorry in advance. I think because of a lot of generation from the another user, then you can explore about this Gentube. And this is the home page, and make sure that also you have already do the sign in into your Google account or your email. And this is the look of the menu over here. They will give you the, let's say, the username over here and also the avatar, and also it will give you the notification. And also this is the menu to create your to generate your prompt. And this is the trending picture that will contain a lot of pictures that have been generated by another user. And also the submit feedback if you have any feedback or comment for this comments or for this app. And also it will give you this job vacancy over here. And let's say if we would like to create the picture, then you can start to click this create. For example, I would like to type about the wolf space. Then it will usually show you the picture over here. And you can give the another detail. Let's say a wolf is wearing a crown and sitting on the throne. His followers are there and howling together. And let's see the result. As you can see, this is the result. And you can also click this menu. So these are the axes that if you would like to create, let's say you would like to add the recommendation to create this picture to become cyberpunk and watercolor, then you can the random section on this picture. And let's say if you would like to create the picture more different, then you can click this too. As you can see, whenever I click the side of the section in this picture, so it will provide you another new picture. As you can see here, so let's say it's a x-axis and this is the y-axis. It's like the mathematic or the graphic over here. And let's say if you would like to create this to become 3D, you can click here, or you can add the 3D effect. You can click here, or you can add the 3D effect. You can click here, or you can add the 3D effect. You can click here, or you can add the 3D effect. You can click here, or you can add the 3D effect. You can click here, or you can add the 3D effect. You can click here, or you can add the 3D effect. You can click here, or you can add the 3D effect. You can click here, or you can add the 3D effect. You can click here, or you can add the 3D effect. You can click here, or you can add the 3D effect. You can click here, or you can add the 3D effect. You can click here, or you can add the 3D effect. You can click here, or you can add the 3D effect. You can click here, or you can add the 3D effect. You can click here, or you can add the 3D effect. You can click here, or you can add the 3D effect. You can click here, or you can add the 3D effect. You can click here, or you can add the 3D effect. You can click here, or you can add the 3D effect. You can click here, or you can add the 3D effect. You can cli detail over here. The picture is shown in 3D and detail. And also, let's say if you would like to choose the aspect ratio, let's say you can choose this ratio 9:16, etc. Or the vice versa if you would like to create it in landscape. And also this will give you the another recommendation, let's say, about the, let's say in the background or the place that describe about this picture, you can, let's say, add this a futuristic house and it will generate the picture. Oh, so cool. And let's say if you would like to download this picture, then the step you can do is you can inactivate this adjustment first. Give a while to process this picture. Let's say if you would like to download this picture, then you can start to click this share option and you can copy this link and open the new tab, enter the link and copy it, or open the new tab and paste the link over here and it will direct you into the picture that you would like to download. Wait a minute. I'm sorry, I will refresh it. Okay guys, I've just refreshed this page and this is the look when you already enter the link that you have copied before. And you can start to click this triple dots over here and click download, and you can see this downloaded photo. So that's all guys, don't forget to try it by yourself into your smartphone or laptop, and please let us know if this Gentube also work for you guys. So that's all from me. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for this channel. And if you have any request or comment, don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.